Hi, ma'am. Okay, I was wondering if I could get some blubber with a side of, so I love handles. I want a side of love handles. And extra badonkadonk. Okay. Okay. Thank you. I need to change my ways. Oh, it looks so good.
Here's your card back.
Wow. It's healthy and delicious. I can feel myself getting smaller. I used to look like this. But by eating Subway, I look like this.
Subway, eat fresh and stay fit.